Part one is the biology stress. Sapolsky. Stress is the body's natural response to challenges, and in short bursts, it can be life-saving. When we face a threat, the hypothalamus activates the pituitary and adrenal glands, releasing adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones increase heart rate, sharpen focus, and prepare muscles for action, the classic fight or flight response. But chronic stress is very different. When these systems stay activated for too long, the body begins to wear down. Prolonged cortisol release weakens the immune system, making us more likely to get sick and have a slower recovery. The cardiovascular system suffers blood pressure, stays elevated, raising the risk of heart attack or a stroke. Stress hormones affect the digestive system, often causing ulcers and irritable bowel symptoms or changes in appetite. Memory and learning can decline as parts of the brain, like the hippocampus, shrink under prolonged stress and exposure. Even the reproductive system can shut down, reducing fertility or disrupting cycles. And going off the mind map, the nervous system is showing anxiety, poor memory, brain changes. Immune system shows weaker defenses and frequent illness. Cardiovascular system is hypertension and heart disease. Digestive system is stomach problems and IBS. Reproductive system is fertility issues, and the endocrine system is hormone imbalance. Part two says the empathy in primates and humans. DeWaal says empathy may feel like a uniquely human quality, but Franz DeWaal's work with primates show it has deep biological roots. Empathy involves the ability to sense and respond to the emotions of others, and this is supported by several mechanisms in the brain and the body. One key system is the mirror neurons, which fire not only when we perform an action, but also when we watch someone else do it. This allows us to literally mirror what others feel, creating the foundation for shared experiences. Hormones like oxytocin also play a big role for promoting bonding and trust between individuals. In primates, we see clear examples of empathy, as a chimpanzee consoling another after a fight, or a capuchin monkeys protesting when they see unfair treatment. Humans show the same patterns, comforting a friend, feeling another's pain, or demanding fairness in certain groups. These behaviors aren't just moral choices, they are biologically ingrained survival tools. Empathy strengthens cooperation, which in turn helps both individuals and communities thrive. Part three, hormones and social behavior. Sapolsky and Karkazis. So, hormones don't simply cause one type of behavior, but they shape tendencies that interact with context. So, take testosterone as an example. It's often linked to aggression, but Karkazis research shows it's more accurate to say testosterone is about status seeking in a competitive setting that might look like aggression, but in cooperative groups, it can actually promote teamwork and leadership. Another example is oxytocin, often called the love hormone. It strengthens bonds between parents and children or romantic partners, but it can also make people more loyal to their in-group, which sometimes increases distrust of outsiders. Cortisol is a stress hormone, which links back to everything I just basically explains. That social experiences can raise or lower cortisol levels. Feeling excluded spikes stress, which, while strong social support can lower it, what's powerful is that the relationship is two-way. Hormones influence social behavior, and social behavior feeds back into the hormone levels. Winning a game can increase testosterone. Caregiving raises oxytocin. Chronic conflict keeps cortisol high. And then our biology and other social world are constantly sharing off of one another. And then 4 is basically summary and response. So the perspective helps us understand ourselves better and our community and how we operate, the whole evolution, survival instincts of like human beings. As someone undergoes if someone is irritable under stress, it's not just a personal feeling, it's a biological system under strain. People are moved to help others. It's not just kindness in a vacuum. It's an ancient mechanism that promotes survival through cooperation. And when hormones influence how we interact, we realize that our biology is always part of the story. But it doesn't determine everything. Context and choices matter too.